right, welcome back everybody to Hydroscapes, Pools and Patios, Pool School. We're in this beautiful central Oklahoma day, so we're gonna go over poolside cleaning or things we need to do on a weekly basis to clean our pool without the equipment involved. So first off, we got our little trusty toolbox here, our tailored test kit. So any test kit will work, just be consistent, test your water weekly, check your chemicals weekly, and adjust your chemicals because it's super important to the longevity of your pool. And like I say, any test kit will work. This is the test kit we recommend. It's not really as complicated as it looks. The instructions are inside. The other key component is a good pool brush. Get a good high quality pool brush. Keep your pool brushed weekly, just once a week, that's all it takes. And be sure when you're brushing, you don't have to brush hard, but let's try to get all the dirt off of our ledges, off our steps, everywhere our pool vacuum can't get to. Also, it's important to scrub the waterline tile because if not, you're gonna get a scum buildup on the waterline tile like this pool does. And that can be prevented from weekly brushing. So also just get all the pool walls just lightly. It'll help keep the algae off the walls if you have any algae blooming and any other foreign matter that might be stuck to the pool wall itself. Next thing, a good pool net. It is what it looks like, it's a net. So we use this to kind of skim all the debris off the top, grass when the lawn's being mowed, leaves in the fall, pool toys in the bottom of the pool, whatever it might be, but this just helps to pick up some of the larger debris before it has to be maybe sucked up in the skimmer or eventually making it back to the pool filter. This can also help too in the fall when you have, well, spring and the fall, or in a storm situation where you have green leaves in the pool that can stick to the bottom of the pool, they'll actually stain the plaster itself. So a good brush, a good net, a good test kit, or take your water into your local pool store and have your water tested. Next, we're gonna skip over to the skimmer and show you what our pool robot looks like. So we made it over to the other side of the pool. The one important thing you need to do on a weekly basis is check your pool skimmers. This pool has 2 skimmers. So we're gonna open the lid and you never know what you're gonna find inside, especially when these have been setting up. So we've got a tennis ball. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got a frog, if I can catch him. And a bunch of trash, but we got a frog. We'll leave him here. We'll even name him. This is Frank. Oh, Frank went in the pool. Dadgummit. We had him. But anyway, we got a little trash in there, but it's always important to pull your skimmer baskets out, dump all the debris out of these on a weekly basis, or more often if they're full of debris, but it's also a better idea to turn the pump off. I've actually got the pump on right now. That way, any larger debris you miss is not going straight down to the pool filter. Well, actually, it's gonna hit your pump basket first, and whatever doesn't get strained out in the pump basket ends up in the filter. So that's our skimmer baskets. Really simple. Put the lid back on. Make sure you get the lid on secure so somebody doesn't step in it and break their leg. Actually happened at one of my properties last year. The next thing at the bottom of this cord is a pool robot. One important thing when you're trying to get your pool robot out of the pool, this particular robot has a button. It'll actually come to the surface, but you just don't know where it's coming to. It's okay to pull your robot by the cord up to the surface, but don't pull it out of your pool with the cord. We get these calls all the time. And 95% of robot failures are because somebody's pulled the cord out of the robot or pulled the wires loose. So once you get up to the surface, reach down, it's got a handle. So just grab it by the handle. I always like to let some of the water drain out so you don't get your feet soaked. Set it up on top. This guy opens up, it's got a basket in it, just like the skimmer. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna pull our basket out, open it up, same thing, dump our debris out. There's not much in there. Close it back up, put it back in the robot, and just simply put it right back in the pool. And either press the on button, or once it detects it's back in the water, it might come back on. But this is just a simple rundown of what you're going to do on your weekly maintenance around your pool. We highly recommend a great robot like this because this guy actually maps the pool. But there's a lot of good robots out there, but Polaris is definitely my favorite. So we've got the robot or a suction side cleaner. We got your skimmer. Get you a good net, get you a good brush, get you a good test kit. At the minimum, have somebody else test your water so you know what you got going on in your pool, so you don't want a yucky mess. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please follow us on YouTube. Like our video, it helps us out a lot. And we will catch you next time. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Hydroscapes channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, give us any suggestions you might have on future videos. And as always, beware of sharks. They're everywhere.